Overnight, an alarming incident unfolded as a drone attack believed to have originated from Ukraine targeted an oil refinery located in the Volgograd region of southern Russia. Governor Andriy Bocharov, overseeing the region, swiftly responded to the situation, confirming reports of a brief fire at the facility. However, Bocharov was quick to assure the public of the successful containment of the fire and thankfully reported no casualties resulting from the attack. The governor conveyed this reassuring update through the local administration's Telegram messaging channel on Sunday. The Russian Telegram channel Baza, known for its close ties to the security services, swiftly disseminated photos depicting flames billowing into the night sky above what appeared to be an industrial structure identifiable by its towering chimney. Despite the alarming imagery, there was no immediate response from Lukoil, the oil producer that operates the refinery, nor from authorities in Kyiv, Ukraine, regarding the reported drone attack. In recent months, there has been a concerning uptick in drone attacks targeting energy facilities within Russian territory. According to Kyiv officials, these attacks are conducted as a response to Moscow's strikes on Ukrainian energy infrastructure and are aimed at undermining Russia's war efforts. On Sunday, Russia's defense ministry announced that its air defense system successfully intercepted and destroyed 6 attack drones and 2 ballistic missiles launched by Ukraine overnight, targeting Russian territory. According to the ministry's statement on the Telegram messaging app, the 2 Soviet-era Tochka conventional ballistic missiles were neutralized over the Belgorod region. Additionally, 3 drones were intercepted over the Bryansk region, 2 over Lipetsk, and 1 over the Volgograd region. Despite these developments, there has been no immediate response or comment from Ukrainian officials regarding the incident. Meanwhile, the city of Donetsk in eastern Ukraine experienced shelling from the Ukrainian military, resulting in the injury of a civilian, as reported by city administration head Alexei Kulemzin. The attack, which targeted the western part of Donetsk, occurred in the Petrovsky district. Kulemzin referred to the perpetrators as Ukrainian Nazis in a Telegram post. Additionally, the Donetsk People's Republic's mission to the Joint Center for Control and Coordination of Issues related to Ukrainian war crimes reported 2 attacks carried out by Kyiv forces on the Petrovsky and Kirovsky districts of Donetsk. These attacks involved artillery and a kamikaze drone, exacerbating tensions in the region.